Hey guys, well, I did an upgrade to Victor, the clone Ventura I have built. You guys know the car. Don't have to get too crazy about it, you know. Anyways, we did a stereo upgrade on it, and this is a very effective way to have music, and it's very simple to put in. Here I didn't want to cut the dashboard. Kind of left it the way it was. And I had to make a little special little box thing. And here's mounted on the dash. It's not perfect. See, I have my USB stick in there. This is how it takes big SD card. Your big SD card reader, your SD card in there, the adapter, a USB, and aux plug there. And also, if you have satellite radio, it goes in through here too. MP3 player and all that jazz. But yeah, this is a very narrow. Look at that thing. Just a narrow little thing. So it's about 3 inches wide roughly. My finger keep hitting my damn finger on something all the time. It's either it's on the something. It's always using my phone to do a video. But anyways. This radio is a really good radio to have either in muscle car, hot rod, rat rod, even motorcycle and such, because it doesn't take much space. It's only about 3 inches wide, and of course you have the length there. But if you don't want to piss around with your original stereo, just leave it in there. And also you can put this in your glove box if you want to, or a console or whatever have you. Simple. It's a very simple radio. I got this off Amazon. Maybe I'll post a little link in the video. You just look up radios, car stereos on Amazon, of course. Nothing crazy. So yeah, so it's a good little unit, and maybe I'll turn it on. I was trying to do this on my camcorder, but the battery just packed it in. So anyways, I'll just pop you guys right here. Very easy. This is your volume. Just turns it on. It also adjusts your music. So I can't play too much, else you get copyright infringement. But this is I think it's 60 watt, 30 or 60 watt. So I mean, I just have 6x9 speakers in the back, and it's good enough for me. Because I like having some music when I'm going on the road, other than listening to the noise of nothing, because this car doesn't make much noise. So yeah, I got some junk down there yet. I shortened the shifter on it. Shifter we have here before. I shortened it down a bit. I don't like it too much, but it is what it is. But it doesn't really matter, because we are going to be changing the motor out in this thing, swapping the Buick 350, and be using a B&M shifter, aftermarket shifter for this thing, for automatic, because I'm not going to go manual. My ankles are so damn bad from driving a big truck. I'm just going to be going automatic on this car. It's finer anyway. There's 6.9 speakers. Nothing crazy. I think that one's actually blown. But yeah, you want to use a USB stick. You don't want to be using this system. Well, you could, but this is dead anyway. But there's a bunch of music on here too. Plug it in. So, but need a definitely USB stick or SD card with the adapter, and there you have it. Anyways, short little update on what we've been doing with the car. Nothing crazy. It's been running not bad. It's running a bit rich, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna, really not gonna piss around with it much. So anyways, I'll show you the box of where the stereo and stuff. But yeah, Victoria's getting watered. Shitting away. Yeah, this is my new little shop here. You know, I got tractors and excavators and quads and mowers and all sorts of shit. You know, typical. This is, by the way, this is my new shop. So, because I moved from my old place. So, I got. Just gonna prop you guys up here. Somehow. So this is my new shop. I had to move from my old location. So anyways, here you get off topic. But here is the box for that radio. You get this on Amazon. Maybe put a little link in the video. Well, I don't have to put a link in the video. Who cares? Link in the description, doesn't matter. But you just have to go on Amazon and you type in radio car stereos, right? And these are made from China, made in China, and they come with a little box and your box of joy and fun right in here. Yeah, it's very easy to install. I mean, like it comes with Chinese ways to hook it up. I mean, it's very simple. You basically have red power, maybe a yellow and a blue power and ground, and the wires you basically have to figure it out. It doesn't really tell you exactly what the colors the wires are, but the wires have you know, like they're purple, white, gray, and green, and you know, of course, if they have white, if they have a black stripe on them, means you're a negative. So that's the way it is, right? It's very simple, nothing overcomplicated. Doesn't really, the instructions don't tell you peanuts, but you know, it is what it is. They don't tell you very much, right? So, anyways, it's simple. And if you're looking for inexpensive tunes in your car, this is the best way to do it. So, gone are the days of CD and cassettes and 8-track, if you like that kind of stuff. The highways are just too crazy. You have to keep your eyes on what you're doing. Even shifting can be a hassle sometimes. But anyways, yeah, so again, look for these on Amazon. Cheap, affordable radio. They use the very simple ways of playing music. And there you have it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.